Today we're going to check to see if there's any blight damage to the potatoes. As you saw in our last video, we had blight on one of our potato buckets, so we immediately pulled all the foliage off and burned it so we don't spread spores around our garden. As you see, sometimes they're a little tough to get out of the bucket, but hitting it on the side a bit will easily dislodge that, and now we're going to see what our harvest is. All you really have to start doing is breaking down the root ball and you'll start uncovering potatoes. As you see, there's a couple right there, and so far they're looking pretty good. These are the red Norlands, so they're a 90-day potato to maturity, so we're at around 90 days, so this is about the time we'd probably harvest anyways. So we're just keep breaking down the root ball and pulling out potatoes. As you see here, she's uncovering the seed potato. That's where we started at, and you discard those. And we keep finding more potatoes, so it's more of a treasure hunt. Just start digging through your dirt and find all your potatoes. So far, things are looking really good, and I'm pleasantly surprised as into the dry conditions, how many potatoes we're getting. The super small ones you can keep and save them for seed potatoes. All you would need to do is chit them, and that means starting the eyes sprouting from the potato. And it looks like we gained about 12 potatoes outside of 2 seed potatoes. Now we're going to go through the rest of the potato buckets and look for blight. Since blight is spore-based, it could be spread by wind or by us touching them or just by watering them. So we're going to go out and check them twice a day over the next couple weeks and make sure that this is not spread to any of the other plants. So far things are looking good, but you never know what you'll find. Now we're going to check out our beans and peppers. We want to make sure that blight hasn't moved to any of those plants. Peppers are more susceptible to blight than beans, but you always want to make sure. And since our plants are really young, we're pulling off all the flowers that are starting. We want these plants to gain in size, so when they do start fruiting, they'll be able to hold the fruit without breakage and produce more through the season. Since it's been unseasonably cool here in Northeast Ohio, we don't want to start setting fruit now, since peppers are more of a tropical plant and love the heat. So hopefully we get some heat here soon. Thank you for joining us today, and please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.